Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, dear my student. Hope you are well. Inviting to the online class for Tuskali Girls High School, Madbariapur School. I am Mr. Hafizur Rahman, the head teacher of this school. I am starting today's lesson. Today's lesson is a man who loves trees. Class 8 English first part, unit number 5, lesson number 4. Today at the beginning of the lesson, I shall discuss the important words in the passage. Dear student, pay close attention to the board and write down the important words in the notebooks. Open the page 50. Dear learner, look at the board. Farthest. What? Farthest. Farthest. Remote. Farthest, that means remote. R-E-M-O-T. R-E-M-O-T. Remote. Synonym or remote. Remote মানে কি? Remote. Synonym or meaning. Remote. Farthest. Farthest corner, that means remote area. Supplying. Supplying a young tree. A young tree. Tender tree, young tree. Profession, that means occupation, synonym. Passion, that means love or desire. Love. Passion, synonym, love or meaning. Began, start. Started. Beside, by the side of. Beside, by the side of. Gigantic, large tree. Very large. Very gigantic, that means very large. Or huge, large or huge. Mission, purpose, that means purpose. Continue, another word. Continue, carry on or run on. Carry on or run on, different, various, or varied, various, 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 or varied. Job, job that means action, service, work, service or action. Laborer, worker. Worker. Laborer, that means worker. Dear learner, last of all, scorching, burning, 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 scorching, sun, burning sun, hot sun. Dear learner, I say again, what may not furthest remove, supplying a young tree, profession, occupation, passion, love. Dear learner, began, started, beside, by the side of. Dear learner, gigantic, very large or huge. Dear learner, mission, purpose. Dear learner, continue, carry on or run on. Different, various or varied. Job, work. Dear learner, laborer, worker. Dear learner, scorching, burning. Dear learner, hope understand. Dear learner, I shall discuss a passage named A Man Who Loved Trees. Dear learner, a village called Tarapur in a remote area of Bangladesh, there lived a man named Kartik Puramani. His profession was hairdresser. Hairdresser, that means barber. But he is a national loves at heart. Dear learner, Kartik loves to plant seedling that grows into huge trees. Dear learner, at the age of 10, Mr. Kartik started planting trees. Dear learner, he was planting trees when his age was 10. That means very younger boy. Only his age is 10. Dear learner, he recited what his father said. Oh, my son, you will get God's blessing in planting trees. Dear learner, Kartik never forgot. Dear learner, Kartik never forgot what his father said. Dear learner, Kartik remembers his father's word respectfully. Dear learner, he is now 63 years old. He is currently 63 years old. Dear learner, he has planted hundreds of trees in his village. Many trees are now 35 to 40 years old. At once, there were no trees in his village or in this village. Kartik used to go to different houses for work. Dear learner, Kartik used different house. Reason, he planting tree. Dear learner, Kartik sometime would get tired of working. Kartik started planting trees, thinking about how people suffering in the sun. Sometimes Kartik would wake up early in the morning and go out to work. One or two laborer with him. Dear learner, sometimes Kartik would wake up early in the morning and go out to work with one or two workers or laborers. Dear learner, when he planted trees, he kept dry some food and water with him. Dear learner, he used to spend money from his pocket for planting trees. He did not borrow money anyone. He did not borrow money from anyone to plant trees. Dear learner, I say again, he used to spend money from his pocket for planting trees. Dear learner, Kartik planted trees on both sides of the roads and around the market, around the school and college, and in many open space and in many other open place. Dear learner, sometimes it was 11 o'clock at night to work. Dear learner, that means work at late night. When people would tell him, "You are mad." Dear learner, what are you doing too late at night? Dear learner, Kartik used to laugh and say, I have to work hard all day to provide food for my family. Dear learner, I don't have time during the day. If I don't water, my trees will die. Dear learner, so I cannot to take care of them every night. Dear learner, I say again, I don't have enough time during the day. If I don't water, my trees will be die. Dear learner, so I come to take care of them every night. Dear learner, although he did not know his signature, dear learner, he planted trees and left his signature. Dear learner, after this short story, we can decide that tree is our best friend. Trees gives us oxygen. Without oxygen, we cannot survive a single moment. So we planted trees in the open space of our home. Dear learner, let us plant trees and make our country prosperous. Dear learner, I have read a passage of yours for so long. From this passage, I will give you some multiple choice questions. Listen to me carefully and write in the notebook. Dear learner, listen to me carefully and write them to the notebook. Choose the best answer. I write some. Choose the best answer. Number 1, Kartik was by profession. Has for multiple choice answer. Cultivator, tree planter, day laborer, hairdresser. Dear learner, number 2, the words gigantic in the passage means. Gigantic means large, tiny, smell, miniature. Dear learner, number 3, some of trees are ... years old. Dear learner, 15 to 20, 35 to 40, 25 to 30, and 40 to 45. dear learner. Number 4. Kartik is fond of ... has multiple 4 answer. Nature, bird, animals, pets. Dear learner, in the text, what are used to as we can ... Dear learner, noun, adjective, noun and verb, and last of all adverb. Dear learner, I discussed some multiple choice question. Dear learner, I shall discuss some answer the following questions. Dear learner, I write on the blackboard some answer the following question. Number 1. What did Kartik's father tell to him? Number 2. How long did Kartik travel for his profession? Dear learner, number 3. What were the places that he chose for the tree planting? Dear learner, was his village once filled with trees? Once again, answer the following question. Has 4 following question. What did Kartik's father tell to him? How long did Kartik travel for his profession? What were the places that he chose for the tree planting? Was his village once filled with place? Dear learner, today I first discussed Dear learner, secondly I discussed a passage. Dear learner, thirdly I discuss some multiple choice question. Last of all, I discuss some answer the following question. Dear learner, I hope understand all my discuss. Dear learner, if you read more and more this passage, dear learner, you will answer the multiple choice questions and answer the mentioned questions. Dear learner, today's lesson end with this. All the best. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.